Jonathan and I are on our way to my sister's house for her project, the makeover project I'm doing. I'm so excited. Crazy thing, this is how packed we are for all the things that I have. And it's also a late project, so it's Saturday night and it's 7:32 p.m. So who knows what time we'll finish, but he'll find out. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys later. This project is for my sister. She recently moved to this home and she of course needed help with organizing the living room area and the entryway. I had previously helped her organize my nephew's room and she really enjoyed that. She really liked the results. So this time when she asked me for help, I thought, this will be good. This will be something I would enjoy doing and it would really bless her. She really needed help with setting everything in place and just finding a very functional way to set her furniture. Honestly, it just helped me a lot that she had very clear in her mind what she wanted. So that from there, I just continued. Yeah, as you can probably tell in this video, I mainly have the before and the after. I really wanted to make sure I had a few clips of there where you could see me and Jonathan just putting everything together and moving things around. But my sister has a son, my nephew, and he's 5. And so, you know, when I set up the camera, he just thought it was amazing. No! He had this toy that he was just doing this the whole time right in front of the camera, and he thought that was the coolest thing in the world.
No, por favor, no.
And so yeah, I could only film like a minute and then I realized it was not gonna work. I would have definitely liked to do more in the entryway, but there is one thing that I have learned, and it is you have to work with what your client has. And so if they have a budget and if they have certain pieces of furniture or decor that they want to keep, then you need to work with that. And at the end of the day, when they went to the house and they are, you know, using their entryway, they really enjoyed it, and they never mentioned like, oh, I wish this was prettier. It was functional. It was using the things that they had that they wanted to use, and that made them happy. My favorite thing about this project was just seeing how much my sister and her family enjoyed the newly organized and decorated space. As soon as the rug was in and the pillows were in, my nephew just, you know, immediately he ran. He was barefoot on the rug, he was playing on the couch, and you could see that he was really enjoying the space. And also just hearing from my sister and her husband how it was so nice to come inside the home and be able to put everything that they were coming home with away so easily, have a place for their keys, their coins, and just take your shoes off and turn to the left and there's this really pretty living room that you can just relax, be barefoot on. To me, that meant a lot. That just reminded me that what I do has a value, and that with what I've been given, the talents that I have are useful to other people, no matter how big or small they are. Yeah, so the bin that you see, that woven bin outside the bathroom, is for dirty laundry. So my sister really needed a place to put their laundry, but in their bathroom, it has limited space, and she really wanted it in the bathroom or near the bathroom. So I came up with this idea of like, why don't we get this really pretty bin that we can put outside of the bathroom, and you know, because it's pretty, you won't really know it's dirty clothes unless they stink a lot. But and so that is what that bin is. And then she had this very cute macrame decor with a plant, so we just put it in there. We finished the project at around midnight. When we were done, my sister had some pizza that she reheated, and so we were having dinner at midnight. Yeah, so that was fun. That was interesting.